we're not going to move away from the case where humans are the core designers. I think what we're going to see is I need a subroutine that's pretty generic and boring, and I don't want to write it. So write this subroutine that comes up with a random number that is prime. Or I need a subroutine that filters out all the non-alphabetic characters from this string. Those are like things that I just don't want to write. And an AI can do it for me, and it's fine. But creation of something new, that's something I think we're still going to need humans for. But that being said, I think what this article is leading towards is that at all levels, you're going to find your ability to generate tasks and code and apps is going to be enhanced. Whether you're a 12-year-old that wants to write a social app for your school and just for your school, then you can do that without knowing any code through the tools that we've talked about. You can, but maybe you're an advanced programmer and you need some of those subroutines written. This will help you in that way as well. And that's where I see this, where English becomes the new programming language. And at the end of the day, it doesn't have to be English. It could be German. It could be whatever your native language is, but it's the spoken word that takes over for some of our coding tasks. I just watched the demo from OpenAI, and they released Canvas. And Canvas is a collaborative tool that lets you collaborate on documents or on code. Now, normally when you say collaborate, you mean, something like Lou and I would collaborate on our show notes for this. But what this really means is a collaborative tool between ChatGPT and you. You can feed it a report that you've written or a book report for school or whatever, and have it give you feedback on it to help you make it better. Or you can ask it to write code, then you can edit the code, make changes to the code, add to the code, and it has a built-in Python interpreter. So the Python part will actually run in real time within ChatGPT. It's pretty impressive. And that's just the next step. We're going to continue to see that grow and grow to the point that, again, a middle schooler can say, I want a social media app that lists all of the activities available for school and gives you the ability to sign up for the chess club or the Dungeons and Dragons club or the soccer training camp or whatever it might be, and allow you to do that specific to your school without ever knowing any code at all.